Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, south central Henderson County in western North Carolina, northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Pickens, or near Table Rock State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Travelers Rest, Slater Marietta, Paris Mountain State Park, Pleasant Ridge State Park, Jones Gap State Park, Table Rock State Park, Furman University, Caesars Head State Park, Pumpkintown and Dacusville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Henderson and Transylvania, and the following counties in South Carolina, Greenville and Pickens. A tornado warning remains in effect.